update. Now I have taken one question of matrices for the demonstration purpose. Here the question says that if A is a matrix which is a square matrix, as we see that here it is a two rows and two columns, so it is 2 into 2 order matrix, and we have to show that product of transpose of matrix A and inverse of matrix A, it is equal to cos 2x minus sin 2x cos 2x. This, first of all, we will find the, now in solution, first of all we will find the inverse of the matrix. As we know that inverse of the matrix is equal to, inverse of A is adjoint of the matrix 1 divided by determinant of the matrix into adjoint of the matrix. And we know that what is the adjoint of the matrix? The adjoint of the matrix is the cofactors matrix obtained by taking the cofactor of the corresponding elements of each corresponding elements of matrix A. So suppose I am representing C11, C12, C21, C22 are the cofactor. C11 is the cofactor of 1 and C12 is the cofactor C12 is the C12 is the cofactor of tan x, C21 is the cofactor of minus tan x, C22 is the cofactor of 1. And now we will take the transpose of this. We can use transpose by T or dash also. So now first of all we will take the determinant of A. So determinant of A, please consider determinant of A 1 tan x minus tan x and then tan x 1. So we know simply we will multiply 1 into 1, then minus, and then minus tan x into this tan x. So it is equal to minus into minus plus, so it is 1 plus tan square x. So 1 plus tan square x is not equal to 0. So determinant of A is not equal to 0, means A is invertible matrix. A is invertible matrix. What is invertible matrix? Two square matrix. Suppose we will take A and B are the two square matrix of same order. A dot B means their multiplication, or B dot A if it is equal to the identity matrix of same order, then B is the another matrix. And if the product of A and B both are square matrix and their multiplication, if the order are changed, it will give the identity matrix of the same order, then we will say that B is the inverse of A. B is equal to A inverse. So we will discuss about what is the inverse of a matrix. It will be another topic. Now C11 we are finding. C11 means cofactor of this one. So I am just writing over here A is equal to matrix A 1 tan x row wise minus tan x and 1 minus tan x and 1. So we have to find the first element, cofactor of the first element. So it is in first row and first column. So it is 1 plus 1. Here is 1 plus 1, and now we will remove this row and this column. We are getting 1. So here it is 1. So it is 1 into 1, it is equal to 1. Now 1 C12 means we are going to find out the cofactor of the cofactor of the element which is in first row and second column. This is the first row and in the second column, so it is a tan x. So it is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, what is in the suffix, we will add it. So it is into, and we will just remove tan x related column, row and column, so minus tan x. So it is minus tan x. So it is equal to, this will give minus 1 to the power 3 into minus tan x. So it is equal to minus 1, and then it is minus 1 into minus tan x. Okay, so it is equal to tan x. It is equal to tan x. Now we are finding 1 1 2 1 C21. So C21 means we are finding the cofactor of this. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, that is 3. So removing in the same way, so it is tan x. So it is equal to minus, it will be 3, so it becomes minus, so minus tan x. And now we are finding C22. So C22 is equal to the this is the cofactor of this one. This one means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 4, even number, and again we removing the rows and columns, so we are getting this element 1. So it is equal to 1. So now A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. So 1 by 1 plus tan x into adjoint of this, transpose of the adjoint of this. So we will take T and C11. So what is the C11? C11 is 1, and C12 is, it is equal to I think tan x it is, and then C21 is equal to minus tan x, and this is 1. Okay, so this is tan square x. So it is, we will take it 1 by 1 plus tan square x, this is, and we will take the transpose, means we are changing the rows and columns. So 1 tan x minus tan x, and then 1. Now transpose sign will be removed. Now each element of the matrix will be divided by 1 plus tan square x. So
yes, same.
1 by 1 plus tan square x minus tan x by 1 plus tan square x.